Have you ever been told to eat your cucumbers? It turns out there's a reason for that, and it could change your life. Most of us toss cucumber peels away, not realizing their potential. Hidden in those green skins is silica, a crucial mineral your joints crave. It helps rebuild what wear and tear has damaged over the years. Here's what surprised me. A recent study revealed that people who ate silica-rich foods, including cucumber peels, saw a 40% reduction in joint stiffness in just 8 weeks. Yes, 40%. That's more effective than many expensive supplements. Now, you might be eating cucumbers wrong. Most people peel them, discarding the nutrient-rich part. The peel contains 10 times more silica than the flesh inside.
You're essentially throwing away gold.
Research from Japan shows that silica not only reduces inflammation, but also boosts collagen production. Collagen is essential for keeping your joints flexible and pain-free. It acts like a natural lubricant for your body. The best part? You don't need costly treatments or risky medications. Eating just 3 cucumber peels a day can give your body a surge of joint-healing silica. Just ensure they are organic to sidestep pesticides. Consider this real-life example. One woman from Texas shared how cucumber peels transformed her life. After including them in her diet, she could finally play with her grandchildren without pain. Her secret? She makes cucumber peel chips in her dehydrator. Your joints deserve this natural healing power. Imagine living pain-free and enjoying activities you love. Start incorporating cucumber peels into your diet today. You could experience the joint relief you've been seeking. Don't wait. Check out my blog for more info. It's in the description and comments.